Hannah from J Parkers, and today I'm going to be talking to you about pollination. So that's what it is and why it's important. So for flowering plants, they need to be pollinated in order for them to reproduce. And usually how that happens is you'll have your pollinators, so bees and butterflies, even wasps, will land on a plant, they'll have pollen stuck to them, they'll fly to the flower of the same plant, but another separate plant, and then that will pollinate that plant, and it'll then reproduce to produce seeds, or which will then get planted and form another plant. And the reason why it's important for you to encourage these pollinators in your garden is it just makes it easier for you to have more plants, and you don't actually have to do anything. You'll find some plants in your garden might be self-fertile, so that means that they don't need a pollinator to come in and do this for you. So you can have a look around your garden and see if any of them are self-fertile, but most of them probably will need to be pollinated. Therefore, it's quite important for you to plant pollinator-friendly plants in your garden. So that could be buddleia, other flowering plants like roses, dahlias. If you make sure that they've got a single flower, that means that the bee can get in there. If there's a double flower on it, the bee won't be able to get in, so it's not pointless, but you can't use it for a pollinator friendly plant. And other examples could be rosemary, lavender. You'll be able to see if you go to a garden centre or another person's garden, there'll be bees all over one plant, so you can then take that idea back and put it in your own garden. But yeah, so those are the reasons why it's really beneficial to plant pollinator friendly plants in your garden.